Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to install Flutter in Windows 11. So go ahead on your browser and search for Flutter. And right here we have flutter.dev, click on it. And so we're going to click over here on the top right area, get started. And on this page you're going to confirm your Windows device, click on it. And then you're going to choose what you want. We're going to click on desktop, and then we're going to scroll down. And here you can see to install Flutter SDK, you can choose VS Code Flutter extension or download and install Flutter bundle yourself. So we're going to click on download and install. So when you do that, you can see download, then install Flutter. So we're going to do the download first and click on Flutter Windows stable.zip. So we're going to wait for this to happen. So now as you can see, we've made the download and we'll need to unzip this file. So now that we've extracted it, we're going to open it. And here we have the file. Now, based on the instructions we've received from the website which we downloaded it, we're going to have to install it somewhere else other than the usual place. So there is a little twist in making this installation successfully. So we're going to make a copy of this file. Then we're going to go over to our C drive. So one of the instructions is not to install it in your program file. So we're going to put it right here. So you can either use your keyboard shortcut or you can use this option. So we're going to paste it. So now that we've pasted it right here, we're going to open the file, then go to bin here, open it, and then we're going to copy the path. Then after copying the path, then you're going to go over to your start button, click on it, and type in environment. Click on edit the system environment variables. Then while we're here, we're going to come over to environment variables. And then right here, you're going to click on path, double click on it, click on new, and then paste in the path which you copied. So basically the location is C, Flutter, and bin. Enter, then click on OK right here, and click on OK here again. And then we're going to press one more OK here, so click on it. So now that that's done, we're going to close this, then go to our Windows, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, and then we're going to type in Flutter here. So when you have this result, it means Flutter has been successfully installed. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.